We're big rock singers, we got golden fingers, and we're loved everywhere we go. We sing about beauty and we sing about truth. $10,000 a show. We take all kinds of pills that give us all kinds of thrills, but the thrill that we never know is the thrill that'll picture when you get your picture on the cover of a Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone, see my picture on the Rolling Stone. I wanna buy 5 copies for my Rolling Stone. I wanna see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Freaky old lady called my cocaine Katie, who embroiders on my jeans.
Get that on.
I got my poor old gray-haired daddy driving my limousine. Now it's all designed to blow our minds, but a mind won't really blow like a blow that'll get you when you get your picture on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Rolling Stone, see my picture on the cover.
Rolling Stone.
I wanna buy 5 copies for my mother.
Rolling Stone.
I wanna see my smiling face on the cover of the Rolling Stone. Your turn. We got a lot of little too light teenage girls.